Hello, Kuneni and I am mine. First of all, today is the final game. Congrats that you came to this level. And from Aramco and our management side, thank you very much for your participation. And we'll look forward for you to come here and play again and again. We are not going to stop here. At the end of the day, it's all about bringing people together. So all the best wishes, and here the referee will be taking forward. All right, thank you once again.
Both teams, congratulations. Unang pinanalo natin sa safety course po tayo sa kampo natin manlalaro. Kung medyo naka-advance na po yung player, going to basket na po siya, i-let go na po natin, huwag na po natin hayang sabayan pa. Kasi wala tayong mapapala dyan, kundi pag na-aksidente yung taong yun, ang hindi po yung tao yun ng unang kawawang pamilya po. Una po, trabaho po pinunta natin dito. So, kung meron po tayong clarification during dead ball, coach at captain ball, taas lang po ng kamay, punta sa lamesa, at ipapaliwanag po namin sa inyo kung ano po yung kaklarify nyo. Although ito naman na ano na ito, larong ano natin, hindi naman ano na atiga talaga. So, kumbaga so, ano po,
Background kami.
Okay. 22. Number 96. Steal by Lambi. Pass to number 25. Steal by number 24. Number 19. First 2 points. Number 19. Steal by number 19. Pass to number 19. Shot. Rebound by number 9.
nice, oy! Critical! Nice one! Pinapatid ko sarili ko!
Second free throw. Number 22. Dribble the ball. Oh, block! Pass to number 19. Shot by number 20. Pass to number 21.
Hoy, ganda. Boarding.
Number 9, 2 points.
Lambid, 2 points. Pass break.
Steal by number 17.
Yun na naman. Boarding.
Wala talaga pare!
Hoy, last shot.
Dribble. Left for the play.
Down. Doon na.
Number 9 to number
Uy.
25 to number 17. 2 points by number 17.
7-2. Yun. 1 point. Anunciado.
Pakita tira pare!
Second free throw by
Mamaya yan. 3 points yan. Nice. Number 6 for 2 points. Pin. Nice reverse shot. Last break.
11.
Uy. Uy, tapal.
2 points. 13-second shot clock. 2 points.
Lambid
Number
for
9.
2 points.
Two points by number 11.
Score 11-11. First deadlock of this ball game.
2 points.
11.
Play pass to number 19. Number 19. Pass to number 2.
Yes, 2
2 points by
points
number 3.
from number 3. IMI.
Points by number 6.
Yun na.
2 points. 2 points. Asa.
Ayun, huli.
Number 16. 22. 2 points.
Good. Nice.
2 points. And second shot block. 2 points. Aema against
18 seconds.
10. 9.
9, 8, 7.
By number 21. 4, 3.
Time for the first half. Score 23-15 in favor of Konaini.
8.
Oi, still mismatch.
2 points.
Second throw. Uy.
Laro lang.
11 to number 9.
Nice block, Lambe. Yun. Intercepted by Lambed.
11.
Of Konaini. Konaini's ball.
19. Number 19, 2 points. By number 20.
Nice boarding, number 22.
13 second shot block. Shot by number 17.
Uy, lumabas pa.
2 points. Pedraza. Pass. Number 24. Number 24. Shot by number 24. 2 points by number 24. Shot block. 12 seconds. 2 points. 2 points. Looking for his teammates. Pass to number 24. Number 22. Tries the 3-point shot. Miss. Rebound by number 10. 10. 2 points by number 10.
Uy, pumasok din, no?
Tries the 3-point shot.
Patay.
3 points. Number 12. By number 12. Pass to
Nice. Ay, sayang. Una ka na dyan. Bato!
Shot by number 21.
Lock.
8, 7, 6,
Patay.
5. 3 points by number 21.
Time.
Score.
Score 46-27 in favor of Konaini.
Score by number 20. 2 points by number 24.
Alo. Naulo. Kayari pa.
I'm winning 5 minutes and 18 seconds. 2 points.
Nice.
2 points by number 2.
Oh.
By number 16 to number 21. 2 points, number 21. Pull the ball. Pull the ball. Tries the 3-point shot. 3 points, number 22. Third personal foul, first team foul. Nice. 3 seconds. Points by Ivan. 2 points.
Kada. Good.
By number 16. Now, 2 points by number 6. I'm winning 8 minutes and 12 seconds. Steal by number 6. 2 points by number 6. Number 17.
Score 62-49. 56.1 seconds.
Seconds shot lang. 2 points. 2 free throws. 1. 71. 72. 64. 9.
Lambat. Score 64-72.
35.3 seconds. 73-64.
Score 64-73. Winner Konani. Ayos, mga eskorero. Grabe audience oh. Grabe. Ayun na, mga vlogger.